find this TC 3:15 p.m. dashboard available, namely the 3:15 p.m. dashboard, which is for filtering out the STBT or BTST trades. Now, as the name suggests, one can check out this page. You can come to this page here. On the page, first of all, you'll need to define the scope of the stock. So you want to scan for among all the FNO stocks, or you want to scan for Nifty 50 stocks, or you may be having some watch list of your own. You may be having some watch list of your own, and you want to scan for the stocks available in that particular watch list as such. That can also be done. So for example purpose, I'll be taking only the FNO stocks here, and in the screener type, you'll find two different categories, namely stocks matching bullish conditions or the stocks matching bearish conditions. Okay. Now, for example, if you want to see for STBT or BT, say for example, you want to see for this BTST, buy today, sell tomorrow, then you can click on this execute screener button, and accordingly, as and when you click on the execute screener, it will show you a list of stocks downside. Okay, where a volume breakout has been there with a particular candlestick pattern also. Now, how this works out is, once you click on this execute screener button, you'll see the list of stocks downside. For example, it is showing me some 28 records currently, 28 stock name currently. Now, obviously, it is not advisable to take position in all these 28 stocks, not advisable, and it is not possible also. on a given day, it might show you some 20-30 different stocks, but that doesn't mean that I need to take position in all those stocks for BTST purposes. What you can do is, once it shows you the list of results here, you'll find something called the trend rank here. Pay attention to a couple of parameters. Here once you get the results. First will be the trend rank part. Okay. And third one more will be this candlestick pattern which has been formed. Broadly to filter out some 2-3 good stocks for BTST or STBT purposes. Now, how this trend rank works out is, this trend rank, it takes into account certain technical parameters, okay, to calculate the trend rank. This dashboard, it takes certain technical parameters to calculate the trend rank, and the interpretation is simple. The higher the trend rank, the better it is. Say for example, 1 will be the highest trend rank, 1 will be higher than 2, 2 will be higher than 3, 3 will be higher than 4, in that sequence. So I have arranged the stocks in the descending order of ranking for you here. Okay, the stocks has been arranged in the descending order of ranking for you, and look for the stocks where the trend rank is high, in the sense the trend rank is either 1 or 2 in that sequence. And along with a good trend rank, there should be a good increase in volume also. The idea is, along with a good price movement, there should be a good increase in the volume too, both for bullish side as well as bearish side also. Okay. Now, in the same sequence, you can see this. For example, this Mindtree has been there, or Hero Motor Corporation has been there. In Mindtree, if you see, there has been a Harami bullish pattern also which has been formed, which is a strong bullish pattern as such in Mindtree. Now, if we come to the charts here, now this BTST or STBT screener, this you can execute somewhere by 3:15 itself, somewhere between 3 to 3:30 itself, to scan for some BTST or STBT trades. And here, if we come to the charts here, say for example in Mindtree, on the daily candle, if you see this Harami bullish candle which has been formed in Mindtree here, and or similarly, if you see for this Hero Motor Corporation or this Pidilite Industries, this has been a strong Maribozu candle, right, with a high spike in volume. So this sort of stocks where the price movement has been there along with a good spike in volume, there you can look for a small buy BTST or STBT trades, or if the trade is positive, if the trade turns out to be positive, you can carry on for position trading also, wherein the holding duration can be more than 1 day. When it loads the page,